Hello everyone, welcome to Mark for Future. We are doing our first cooking ama of the year.
Yes, today is our first cooking ama, and today we are cooking a Mung Bean Dessert. The children are all very excited to take part, and let's have a look what's going on at the moment. Here we can see Crew Kanom explaining how to make the Mung Bean Dessert. Okay, every year of our school will do this. Pre-K, K1 and K2 will all take part in this activity. And when they are finished, of course, they get to eat what they've made. Okay, thank you for joining us once again. We hope to see you soon. Take care and enjoy your cooking. Bye bye.